Let's do some PySpark. Duplicate HR department employees. This question appeared in the interviews of Amazon. In this question, they're asking, you have been asked to find employees in the HR department and then output the result with one duplicate. The employee's first name and department should be included in your output. Note, this dataset does not contain any duplicates. So it's kind of a confusing wording in this question, I agree. I played around with it and I realized what they're asking for is, they're asking you to output the first name and department of employees working in the HR department, and with that also output one duplicate each of those records. What do I mean by that? So let's explore this first. By the way, I'll be doing this in PySpark, but I'll also be creating a similar solution in SQL. So just follow along. So first thing first, in PySpark, import PySpark, and let's see what we have here. As you can see, I'm using worker.show to show the data set. We have HR department, we have other departments as well. So essentially they're asking, give me the first name and department columns from the HR department. So we will have this person here, this guy here, and Mo and Jay. So we have 4 records here, and then on top of that, they're also asking, give me a duplicate of each of those records. So if you have 4 of them, that means we will get 8 of them. Just an example, okay? So first thing first, let's do our filtration. So because we are only concerned with the department HR, right? So worker.filter, that's how we do filtration in PySpark. Worker.department, with that's the column we are selecting, and this will be HR. Okay, so this will give us a subset from this data set. And let's do a worker.show. Run it. And there you have it, right? We have 4 records here. Essentially, what they're asking here is, give us a duplicate of each of those records. So how can we do that? So in SQL, we have something called UnionAll. So UnionAll will take one output and will combine it with the other output and will give us a non-duplicated output. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing here, UnionAll, okay, in PySpark. PySpark is kind of similar to SQL. In Pandas, it's a little bit different, but let's do it. So worker. By the way, this will just create a new data frame, just like here. This will create a new data frame. In PySpark, it just always creates a new data frame. It's a little bit different than Pandas. So worker dot the syntax is union all, and we will supply our second data frame, which is the same data frame because we want the same output. First data frame, second data frame, because we want the same output, right? That's why I'm supplying the second one as the same worker. So union all, I think that looks good. Let's check it out. Worker.show. And yeah, there you have it. So we have these 8 records now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 8 records here. And we don't want all the columns, right? So let's just do worker equals worker.select. And what columns do I want? So I want first name, worker.first name, and I want worker.department. And let's see. And yeah, there you have it. So what I'm going to be doing here is, I think I have to convert this for this checker to work, solution checker. I need to convert this to pandas. So to pandas, I think that should do it. There you have it. So that's the right answer. So essentially we used few things here. We used filtration. We filtered our whole data set for just the HR department. And then we used UnionAll, which takes in 2 data frames, the worker and worker, because we are essentially looking for the same records. So, and UnionAll gives us a non-duplicated output. If you want If you want to remove the duplicates, you will just do union, right? But here we want duplicates. That's why we are using UnionAll. And then we selected the columns we are looking for, which is the first name and the department. And that's it.